This is going to be a video tutorial on how to advance your slides automatically in Microsoft PowerPoint. I'll be using Office 365 for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint here. Okay, I've got PowerPoint opened up here. First thing you have to do is open up your slide presentation, of course. I've got a little example presentation opened up here, 5 slides. To make your PowerPoint presentation advance automatically from slide to slide, what you need to do is select your first slide. Make sure your first slide is selected. Then you'll go up to the Transitions tab and select it. Then off to the far right, at the top off to the far right, you want to unselect on mouse click. You want to unselect that. By default, it's automatically selected. And you want to select after. And then off to the right here, you'll set the duration of how long you want this slide to be playing. I'm going to set it for, I'm going to use the arrows and set it for 2 seconds. Now, if you want your different slides to play for different times, the way you would do that is you would click the next slide and you would repeat the process. You would uncheck on mouse click and check after. But if you wanted them all to play for 2 seconds, I'm going to go back to my first slide here. See, I have my first slide selected to play for 2 seconds. If you want them all to play for 2 seconds, you would click on Apply to All, and then they will all play for 2 seconds. I'm going to click Apply to All. Now I'm going to go up to Start from Beginning. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to play through it. All of my slides played for 2 seconds. That's how you set your PowerPoint presentation to play automatically. Thanks for watching.